Mountain bikes have enjoyed long popularity for not just adrenaline junkies, but those who love riding on unpaved roads, dirt tracks, or trails. Depending on your preferences, there are a ton of capable, reliable, and fun bikes available. However, there's no such thing as a perfect mountain bike, as each one has specs designed for particular uses. So it's vital that you know what sort of riding you're going to be doing before picking one. For starters, you'll have to keep in mind not just the bike's performance and handling, but its reliability, comfort, value, and price. While this may seem overwhelming at first, getting to know the mountain bike you're buying can actually save you a lot of time, money, and stress. With that being said, stay tuned as we bring you our top 5 picks of mountain bikes available. Whether you need the best of the best or just the most affordable option, we'll relay all these items for you. If you want to find the best prices and more information about the products in this video, you can check the links in the description below. And now let's start. At number 1 is the MONGOOSE MACK mag wheel mountain bike. This is one of MONGOOSE's entry-level hardtail bikes, which is known for their trail-level quality and durability. Take your biking to the next level with its cool-looking 26-inch mag wheels that are awesome for tight turns and strong enough to handle aggressive rides. Its rims are made of light alloy steel, which helps to save weight while it can still be able to handle the tough terrain. The frame of the MACK mag is a steel mountain-style design with strong coil suspension that's made to absorb and handle even the rockiest hills. It has a 21-speed Shimano Revo drivetrain with twist shifters that allow you a wide range of gears for adding smooth twist shifting action. This will make those climbs feel like a breeze no matter how steep they are. With its 3-piece steel crank, you'll also be offered durability while riding on rougher tracks, giving you that rigid feel that your feet will always stay in the pedals. Also, the amazing thing about the MONGOOSE bike is that it's already equipped with mechanical disc brakes in both wheels. This provides powerful stopping power and allows you to modulate your speed even on the most aggressive tracks. Customize it for your convenience, as the bike also has a neat tool-free adjustable seat post that can give you a comfortable fit and increased pedal power. Overall, this is a great entry-level mountain bike for those who want to find the thrill of adventure and have a great ride outdoors. At number 2 is the SCHWINN TAFF mountain bike. Get into those higher speeds and feel the gush of wind in your face with this fast-rolling bike. It has a lightweight aluminum mountain frame with hydroformed tubing that's paired with its shock-absorbing coil fork. It's able to give you a plusher, more responsive ride when getting on those aggressive trails. The SCHWINN TAFF also has strong braking power with its mechanical disc brakes. This not only offers you stopping power, but also braking modulation to maintain your speed when going down steep downhills. The gearing will also take you to new heights with its 24-speed Shimano Easy Fire trigger shifters. Matched with the 3-piece SCHWINN alloy crank, this makes the bike easier to maintain because of its optimal gearing ability. It also offers you a huge variety of gears to shift into. That way, no matter the trail you take, from steep climbs to mellow terrain, you'll be able to fine-tune your gears to match with your pedals. The durable 29-inch wheels are made with lightweight alloy rims with added durability, able to take a beating on those trails. Equipped with 2¼ MTB Starflight knobby mountain tires, the TAFF mountain bike is a perfect trail rider. These wheels can give you the proper grip when taking on those tight corners and still giving you low rolling resistance. This big wheel bike is a great option for people who really want to go fast and leave their friends in the dust. Are you looking forward to the rest of our list? Well, keep watching. But before we proceed, we'd like to take the opportunity to ask you to join our growing community. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to be notified of our next video. And now let's continue. At number 3 is the DIAMONDBACK Bikes Line Hardtail mountain bike. It's one of DIAMONDBACK's all-around hardtail bikes that can give veteran riders a more efficient ride when going up big hills or fast-paced downhills. Get a more aggressive riding style from its lightweight aluminum hardtail frame. Made with custom formed and butted tubing, this bike ensures durability without sacrificing additional weight. It's designed with more progressive geometry and a more classic style to make it look cooler while still being able to perform at its best. The bike is paired with an SR Sun Tour 120mm fork that can soak up any small bumps or big jumps that you want to try. That way, you're able to confidently ride downhill as fast as you want without worry. This nimble bike is also dressed up with a Shimano 1x9 drivetrain to give you a more simplistic, practical gear shift. It even has an extra level of security with its chain guide and roller to keep your chain from falling off when you're taking fast bumps. The bike's lane is equipped with hydraulic disc brakes to give you precise braking power that you need to maneuver yourself around the trail with ease. This Diamondback mountain bike is great for people who want to get into difficult trails and get to the next level of riding. If you're up for some adventure, you might want to keep an eye on this one. We always look forward to seeing what you think, so please don't hesitate to write down your comments and suggestions below. And now let's check out our last two products. At number 4 is the E-Ride electric mountain bike. Ride with the convenience of this unique e-bike with motorized rear hub that provides a neat pedaling assist to make your ride much more comfortable. With just the press of a button, you won't even break a sweat due to its extremely effortless riding. This electric mountain bike's frame is made of aluminum in order to save weight from the integrated flush mount battery that's attached, which powers the pedal assist. The runtime of the battery will take you about 20 miles and charging it will take only 4 hours. This 26-inch wheeled E-Ride also has an aluminum fork attached, which means you can take it on trails while pedaling around with ease. Gear shifting won't be a problem either with its 6-speed gear ratio and Shimano grip shifter. It'll add further smoothness and efficiency while biking. The pedal assist can also make steep climbs feel like you're just taking a flat road where you can pedal as fast as you can. While the braking power won't contend with a disc brake, the V-brake attached to this e-bike will still give you enough stopping power to control your bike while going downhill. With this mountain bike, nothing will be a hassle for you as you can cruise along as though nothing matters, no matter how tough the climb gets. Finally, at number 5 is the VIATHLON M1 XX1 Eagle Carbon Mountain Bike. Feel like a pro running this high-end mountain bike and confidently go as fast as you want with its lightweight specs to help you climb mountains effortlessly. With its lightweight carbon frame, only weighing about 1,000 grams, you'll be sure to have some explosive speed. You'll also be able to keep up to 3 bottles in it if you're going for longer rides. It has an agile geometry that's equipped with 29-inch tubeless-ready wheels for smooth riding. You can also equip it with tires that are 2.4 inches like the Continental Cross King that's attached. Rough trails will feel like butter when you're using its 120mm RockShox SID RCL fork. It has damping capabilities like rebound and compression to fine-tune your ride to your own preference. What's also convenient about this bike is that with its RockShox Reverb hydraulic dropper post, with a press of a button you can drop your seat all the way without having to get off your bike. This allows you to easily transition from climbs to descents in a shorter amount of time. As this bike is one of the lightest and fastest on the market, it's also equipped with SRAM's top-of-the-line XX1 drivetrain. With incredible shifting performance added to the hydraulic brakes, making sudden stops and accurate braking modulation won't be a problem. Generally, this is a great mountain bike for riders who want to test their limits and give out their true potential. And there you have it, the top 5 mountain bikes available. Whichever one you choose to get based on your needs and preferences, we hope you found our list helpful. If you found one that you like, you can click the link in the description box and catch that item at its best offer. Let us know if you have a product in mind that you'd like to see in our upcoming videos. Write your comments and suggestions, and our team will get to work to give you a fair and square product review. Stay up to date with our latest uploads by tapping the bell icon. And to become part of our growing community, subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll get a chance to check out even more of our videos. That's all for today. Thank you all for watching us here at the ReviewTube channel.